Hey guys, I have two tools for you to be able to use to really nail your voice and your brand and your social media strategy. So let me start with the first tool. The first tool is a brand builder. So if you go to the home page here, it's under brandguide.authorautomations.com. And the way that this came about was I was coaching some of my folks in the founder level on the hub, and we were going through some kind of advanced workflows and getting them all sorted. And one of the things that we were working on was how to nail their brand voice. And there were things in different places. So some of them had brand guides, some of them didn't have brand guides. Some of them had style guides, meaning they knew what their hex colors were. Some of them knew what their social media guides were. And as we were building this entire workflow together, I realized that it would be really helpful if we all were starting from the same place for the LLMs to be able to understand what your voice is. And so I built this. It's a free tool. You're welcome to use it. You don't have to put your email address in there to use it, but it is helpful if you want to save your progress. So when you get started, down at the bottom here, there'll be an email address that you can use to save your progress. Once you put your email address in, you'll get an email to log in. We're doing everything by magic links. There's no logins, passwords, nothing. I'm not saving anything on the server except for your progress that's tied to your email address, but there's no marketing. There's nothing that's going on here. So once you get started, you can go into build your guides here, and there's three to choose from. The first one is a brand guide. The second is a copywriting style guide. And the third is a social media guide. And these are important for a few reasons, but they are building blocks. So your brand guide is 15 minutes, 13 questions that helps you finalize, refine, and finesse who you are as a pen name. So let me just show you what it looks like. So you go into start building and you have 13. Let me do a different one because I've already done this one. So let me start a new pen name. So a new pen name you'll choose, and then you'll click on start building. And what it does is it walks you through in a wizard to get to the end result, which is some text files that you can then use in ChatGPT or Typing Mind or Claude or wherever when you're going to generate some social media content. So what you'll do is you'll go through here, and then you can decide what the specific pen name is. So I'm just going to put in Lola McDougall, which is mine, and then next. Now, the rest of these questions build on the question that came before it. So it is important to not skip a lot of these questions. Take your time with them and then fill in the blanks. Now, here's the thing. If there's a question where you're not sure, or you want some ideas, or you want some best practices or some inspiration, you can click on Brainstorm with AI here. Now, with your genre, if you brainstorm with AI, it's going to come back with some very unique looking brand